If you're watching this video, I'm going to assume something very specific about you. You're not new to the internet. You're not clueless. And you're definitely not lazy. But you are tired. Tired of watching hours of YouTube videos that don't connect together. Buying courses that promise clarity but deliver confusion. Feeling like everyone else knows something you don't. So when you typed Digital Academy Fortune Review into Google or YouTube, you weren't looking for hype. You were looking for relief. And in this video, I'm going to give you something rare online. A slow, honest, non-salesy breakdown of what Digital Academy Fortune actually is, who it helps, who it doesn't, and what real progress looks like over time. No fake urgency. No exaggerated income claims. Just clarity. Before we even touch the product, we need to address the real problem. Most people don't fail online because they're lazy. They're dumb. They didn't want it bad enough. They fail because they never understood the system. The internet throws affiliate marketing, drop shipping, freelancing, AI automation, content creation at people without ever explaining how these pieces connect. It's like trying to build a house by randomly buying tools without knowing what the blueprint looks like. Digital Academy Fortune exists to teach you the blueprint. Let's strip away the sales page language. Digital Academy Fortune is a digital education platform. Not a business in a box. Not a copy this funnel and get rich system. Not a done-for-you income stream. Instead, it focuses on digital fundamentals, skill development, system understanding. It teaches you how digital income works, not just one way to make money. That distinction matters more than most people realize. Tactics change. What worked last year stops working, gets saturated, gets banned, gets automated. Skills don't expire. If you understand traffic psychology, value creation, monetization logic, you can pivot forever. That's the philosophy behind Digital Academy Fortune. This product is for people who say, I want something long-term. I don't want to restart every year. I'm tired of guessing. It's perfect for beginners who feel overwhelmed, working professionals with limited time, students who want future-proof skills, business owners who feel digitally behind. If you like structure, you'll like this. I want to save you frustration. This is not for people who want money in 7 days. People who hate learning. People who skip lessons. People who blame products. If you need excitement to stay motivated, this might feel boring. And boring is exactly why it works. When you log in, something is different. You're not bombarded with upsells, pressured to upgrade now, told you're missing out. Instead, lessons are calm, explanations are slow, concepts build logically. You finally feel like, oh, now this makes sense. That moment alone keeps people going. Instead of listing features, let's translate them. Feature: step-by-step education. Benefit: no overwhelm. Impact: you stay consistent. Feature: foundational focus. Benefit: long-term understanding. Impact: you stop restarting. Feature: clear learning paths. Benefit: direction. Impact: confidence. Most people underestimate confidence. Confidence is what keeps people executing. Objection: Is this just another course? Short answer. Yes, but also no. Yes, it's an educational product. No, it doesn't behave like most courses. Most courses rush you, overpromise, assume prior knowledge. This one slows you down, underpromises, respects beginners. That's why some people complain it's too basic. Basics are where most people fail. Objection. Will this make me money? Let's be adults here. This product does not make you money. It does not promise income. It does not guarantee results. What it does is give you understanding, direction, capability. Money comes from execution, not education alone. And anyone promising otherwise is lying. Let's talk real life. First 7 days. You feel relief. Things finally connect. Your anxiety drops. 30 days. You understand. Monetization models. Skill paths. What fits you? You stop copying others. 90 days. You're executing with intention. Not desperation. Not confusion. That's when real progress begins. YouTube. Free, but chaotic. High-ticket masterminds. Powerful, but overwhelming. Cheap courses. Easy entry, zero depth. Digital Academy fortune sits in the middle. Structured. Calm. Foundational. If clarity matters more than hype, you'll find the official link in the description. Don't rush. Read everything. Make the decision calmly.